Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about panel installation on a Mi LED TV. Here in this TV, the previous panel display used is a Csot panel with a smaller Lvds sockets. Because of that, the motherboard Lvds socket is smaller. Because of that, after installing this new panel, we need to use a combination of Mi Csot to Samsung Lvds converter and a pair of Lvds cable for installing this panel. See friends, after this modification now the TV is working properly without any complaints. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.